G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Freshening easterly trade winds are merging with ex-tropical cyclone Esther to create a complex weather pattern that's already caused heavy showers around the central coast, and those showers will spread to the rest of Queensland over coming days. Lots of heavy rain around Mackay in the past 24 hours, with Mount Vince recording 165 millimetres, Bakers Creek 145 and 82 mils at Mackay Airport. Daytime temps are starting to fall as winds freshen and the sky turns cloudy, but last night was another hot one for central Queensland, with bottom temps in the mid-20s. On the satellite loop now, two influences. Firstly, there's a coastal trough, which you'll see in a moment, that's produced this enhanced shower activity along the central coast, which is now drifting south but should break up tomorrow. Meanwhile, ex-tropical cyclone Esther is producing heavy falls over western Queensland, which are gradually moving east and will eventually consume Queensland. On today's chart, we have a ridge of southeasterlies that are strengthening because of this high in the Tasman Sea, and that extra moisture is merging with this surface trough. Meanwhile, the ex-cyclone, which is this low, is starting to move into western Queensland. On tomorrow's chart, the low starts to intensify, the northerly winds converge into it, heavy rain starts to spread further east into the Downs and Central Highlands and eventually to the coast. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Mackay waters: northeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, almost due northerly on Friday, and then tending a bit more easterly for Saturday, same strength. Tomorrow we've got low tide around the middle of the day, but it's still neap tide from the half moon 2 days ago, so the tide isn't actually that low. The Central Coast and Whitsunday is a 50-50 chance of showers tomorrow, which is less than today, I suppose. Could be storms. Mackay 25 to 31, Bowen 32, Proserpine 33. Central Highlands and Coalfields cloudy with showers. Again, there could be storms. Emerald reaching 33 degrees, Claremont also 33 and Moranbah 35. Looking ahead for Mackay, a wet weekend by the looks, with showers persisting into next week. Temperature variations won't be huge over the coming 7 days, but you can bet on more of these warm, sticky nights. At the BOM, we talk a lot about upper-level troughs. Unfortunately, they don't show up on the regular surface weather chart, and your screen would be way too busy if we tried to show you every level in the atmosphere. So, if you're still mystified, think of them as gigantic bulldozers pushing accumulated water vapour across the state. The pressure wave ahead of the bulldozer lifts the water vapour and cools it into cloud, with clear, dry air trailing behind. Hope that helps clarify any confusions. Have a top evening, and now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. It's always nice having your company. If you missed anything, we have our replay over on 7:2. The National Bulletin coming up now. We'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Take care. Good night.